Assalamualaikum viewers, I am Mahian Jalil. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you how can I register my vaccine for Covid-19 in Bangladesh. So without any further ado, let's go into the video. Okay, at first we have to go Play Store. Then we can search for an app's name Surokkha and we have to press on it. I already installed it, so that I am not installing it now. You have to install it and then you have to open it. Okay, it's coming. Now you have to choose COVID-19 vaccine registration. This one. Okay. Now you have to choose what purpose you are giving the vaccine. Is it citizen registration or all officers and employee of government health or private health or many other things that military or educational institution, frontline medicine worker, media worker, and many other. You have to choose your. After that you have to put your NID number. After that you have to give your birthday. Then verify. You have to put this on. Because I am a student, I can register this form, but I know how to register this form because my father already registered it. After that you have to give your phone number and some information. After that your vaccination date will send to your mobile number, and then you have to put your NID. You have to take your NID to the health complex, and then you can show them your ID card and take the vaccine. And you can check your status by pressing this registration status. By pressing this you have to give your NID number and your birth of date. Then you can press on verify. Then you can see when you are going to take the vaccine. Then you can also download your card for more updates and the certificate download. You can also download your certificate by pressing this one. So you have 4 options. One is registration status, card download, and certificate download. So you can choose by it. That's it. I want to do something new and better. So many problems we face daily. I want to show you how can we solve those problems easily within a short time. I am trying to give you some tips and tricks about this matter. So if you are interested, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Do like, comment and share with your friends and family.